thanks for stopping by. My name is Sophie, and today we're gonna try something new. And we have a couple visitors joining us too. They should be here any minute. Oh, come in. Hi, guys.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name's Nehemiah.
And your name?
Kenneth.
And yours?
Liam.
Nehemiah, Kenneth, and Liam, are you guys excited to try something new today?
Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. What?
Guys, can you please keep it down? I'm trying to work on my plan for world domination and I can't focus with all of this racket.
Hi, Nefarious Nathan. Would you like to meet our friends?
Can't you see that I'm busy? I don't have time for your silly little games.
Nathan, what are you scheming up today?
Well, I'm glad you asked. See, I've been hiding hundreds of these candies under soda pop caps so that when someone goes to take a drink, it explodes.
You know what? That actually sounds like a fun experiment to try. Do you want to teach us how to do it?
You guys really want to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't. Okay. All right, come on, guys. Gather around. Gather around. Now, see, this is a really simple experiment. Now, only professional, highly trained evil geniuses like me can do this on their own. So make sure you have your parents help you if you want to try it at home. Now, you might want to do it outside because it's going to make a mess. Now, all you have to do is open up your soda. Take one of these candies here. You want to drop it inside and cover it up really, really quickly. And then you can shake it up like this. And then when you open it up, it explodes.
Oh, wow, that sounds really cool.
And diabolical. With this, my evil plan will finally fall into place. I'm gonna hide as many of these babies under as many caps as I can. You see, the trick is to do it so that when it opens up like...
Like that?
Well, back to the drawing board.
Oh, bye, Nathan. Thanks for teaching us this fun experiment. And we'll see you guys next time. That was awesome.
Yeah.
It's like still going. That's crazy. Look at this.